And we're traveling! Our first ever international. Why? Mamaya pa ito upload kasi may naka-line up pa. Our first international trip going to Antalya. And you book a hotel by yourself. Pero ang laki-laki. By yourself. So yes. Okay, not bad. Let's see. That's the toilet. And the shower. And it's separated. Let's see. Okay. Yun lang. Tapos, dalawang bed. Tapos, ikaw lang mag-isa. Wow. So, may pa-TV. May pa-fridge. Nice. Kasi ang balcony. Bigat. Hindi makita. May pool. Pero, hindi pwedeng liguan. Kasi gabi na. Anyway. Kaya ang view dun, no? That's my place. For 5 days with me. Myself and I. Here's my room. I'm the only one here. For today's video. Mamaya na akong maghiga dyan pag naka-shower na. So, this hotel is sensitive something. So, it's all-inclusive. So, lahat. Like, may buffet ngayon, 12 to 2 a.m. Tapos, bukas ulit 7 up to 2. So, may time lang, may specific, parang may enough time na para mag-change sila, mag-clean, tas mag-serve ulit ng new set of food. Then, included lahat, activities like pool, live show, para sa mga bata, animation, mga ganun, then mga, basta pang bata, then pang adult, Turkish bath, pool, of course, beach, what else, ano nga nakasulat? Actually, may nakasulat dito. Ang daming nakasulat. So, this is all included. Pero yung mga room service, hindi nyo included. So, may table tennis, sauna, fitness room, minibar, and wifi, only ang drinks. Alcoholic man o hindi. Yun. Punta ka lang dun sa bar kung saan sila si-serve. May specific location naman kung saan sini-serve. So, it's in Antalya, Turkey. Medyo malayo sa center, pero may Uber dito kasi, so you can just book it, or yung mga activities na parang i-book mo, may hotel transfer, or you can just ride an Uber. So nice. Let's see. Let's explore. Let's start. So, kakarating namin kaninang mga around 8 sa Antalya. So, gabi na. So, ang time sa London now is 3 hours advance dito. So, siguro kung 11 now, -3. Parang ganun. So, pagod, gutom, hilo, and yeah. But we'll see. We'll explore. I'll bring you downstairs and explore. Bye. Stop recording. 360. Ay, lami ang food? Sa inyo, agis self-service. Dari na ba to? So, dari ba? Parang nagtuyok ta. Ngit man. Siya nga Pilipinas. Mura siya sa Singapore, san? Ilag mo Singapore, diba? Katong kung gusto mo mo ato dito nga building, kanin mo nga maragana, di ba? Maragana to.
Magug a real age.
Kay duha man to ka na nga dili pwede pantuan ng isa, di ba?
Kami naka kuan kayo sa Singapore.
Ah, like suroy-suroy.
Overnight pa, igo kami nakaon.
So, nice ang hotel. Ang room na ko, duha ang bed. Ano, siguro duha man niya ang bed. Kaya ako man yun siyang check. Ako man yun siya. Ha? Panglimpyo man na, uy. Asa man ang restaurant sa baba man, di ba? Oh, drinks. Mangayos akong drink siguro. Saba? Kung pwede pa ba? Dili na ata. So, dili na ta mga drinks. So, mo ni sa area. What's very nice. Diba? So, mo ni ang lobby. Very big. As you can see. So, 24 hours siya. Ang bar is closed na. I'm about to get some drinks on top. Pero, well, tomorrow. 24 hours man ang lobby.
Kaning call food me niyo, ay mo kubog.
Lima pa yata.
Yung call na me, niya igon nga, oh, ihatod.
Daro, candy. Candy na lang daw.
Huh?
Ay, hello.
Excuse me, sorry.
Can you help us?
Toothbrush and toothpaste.
What's your number?
3303.
303 ya? Yeah.
Thank you.
3303.
I-deliver lang?
3 person ya?
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 kişi.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. So, isend lang nila. Nice. So, let's go to the restaurant. Nice, no? Very nice. Ha? Dagan tao, uy. Di lang kayo siya. Ugmaan ni good luck. Or feeling na po. Dagan kayo ni. So, yun. We will see anong meron sa buffet sa 12 a.m. hanggang 2 a.m. So, for kids na ay arcade, then, I don't know, bukas explore natin. So na ay wellness counter, you ask. Doon sila, dila ka mo ko og tawo kung gusto ka sa beach. Og spa and massage. Let's see what's in the restaurant. Wow! Okay. Let's see. Oh, breakfast kay cereal. Sana dali? Bread? Pwede initon san? And soup. Bread and soup. O kaong ko? Lami? Ay, gahi. Maura to? Walay kape? Ay, may kape. Ha, tsaa, kape, whatever you want. So, I'll eat na. May water, son. Water, ne? Yeah, water. Water. Dalaw na to dito.
Ayaw.
So, yun. Yun lang. Let's see the food.
Adem bir yazar. Altın içeceğiz.
May nahuli ako, nakasiklib. May nahuli ako, nakasiklib.
Ay. Video ka?
There's a lot of choices. Fruits, bread, meat, soup. So some different breads there. So, napaka-puffy naman. Breakfast for today's video sa all-inclusive. Ay, ano ba itong pinagkuha ko? Hindi naman pala ito sugar. Sweetener. So, good morning from Turkey. Let's try their food. Kumuha ko ng croissant. Of course, croissant is always croissant. So, so maraming tao. Ay, hindi ako magandang pala yan. Nasira ko na ito mga tissue. Sausage. Normal. Yung tulog ka pa. Tapos, kaya mo gumising kasi kaya pa breakfast. So, until 10:30 ang breakfast. Pero okay lang kasi ang suggest hanggang 11 may pa-bread sa may lobby. So, okay pa din. But, pastry and patisserie. So, kung late ka nagising, okay lang. Egg. Walang new. Ito cold cut. So, dapat may bread to. Mayan yan. Lang mahal. Horseback riding for today's video. So, and it's raining. Raining man. Hallelujah. It's raining man. In Antalya, Turkey. Good luck. Sana hindi to masira. Itong puffy face for today's video. So, yun. Ewan ko, nasan kami. Basta, nasa forest daw. Forest for today's video with this sunlight horse. It's raining. It's alright. Okay. I'm on the beach with this horse na nag-play sa sand kanina. So, nahulog ako. Oh God. But, yeah, sunlight is so nice. So, yun. I'm in the sun with the horse. And it's raining. I'm so drenched. But it's alright. It's part of it. Let's see. That's it. That's all. Beach view. But far. And my view. Pool.